The Hague is the international city of peace and justice. It hosts 131 international organizations. The International Criminal Court is also based in The Hague. It was established in 2002 as the permanent court for prosecuting persons suspected of committing genocide, crimes against humanity, and war crimes. To celebrate the 10-year anniversary of the ICC, the municipality of The Hague organized a festive and commemorative evening at City Hall.
The Netherlands has been a strong supporter of the court since the beginning. The ICC's importance rather lies in its purpose. This is to punish the most serious crimes known to humanity, and further to prevent some deterrence.
The Hague is since 1899, long ago, but in fact the international city of peace and justice. It's now formal even in our coat of arms.
And The Hague regards it as its vocation to do all it can to reinforce the international rule of law and promote peace and justice worldwide.
In attendance of Her Majesty Queen Beatrix, the 10-year existence of the ICC was also celebrated at the Knights Hall in The Hague.
There will always be evil in man, but there will always be men struggling for the good. And the ICC is an important instrument to try and repress evil in humanity, to try and repress impunity. And I strongly believe in its mission.
I was about 6 years old when I got my military training. And I was trained how to operate AK-47, how to kill, how to hate, how to destroy, and above all, how to be emotionless.
The Trust Fund of Victims has been established next to the ICC by the Rome Statute. In previous efforts to have international criminal tribunals, victims have not been recognized and they have not been able to have reparations for the harm that they have suffered. So this is an important innovation of international criminal law, and actually to support these victims to regain their dignity, hope, and to have reparations also.
I would like to commend the fact that the warlords know now that they cannot get away with their bad deed. I would therefore like to thank the ICC Prosecution Office and the judges of the ICC for a job well done.
Looking forward, I think one of the first priorities I have is being more effective in investigating and prosecuting sexual and gender crimes, especially without re-exposing the victims, without re-traumatizing them, but making sure that the crimes are addressed. It's very difficult, as you know, but I always say that this is not an excuse not to do it.
But we all know that there are many challenges ahead, that now that the court has really started to work and produce results, states are failing the court by withdrawing their political support or simply by lacking the capacity to focus. As President of the Assembly, I want to remind all those present that the court will not make it without constant, day-to-day state party support and cooperation.
What we need to do is to convince our partners worldwide that to respect the rules of international law and to make sure that every single citizen in their countries is respected and is treated according to rules of international law is in their own interests. We need to make clear that it is in every country's interest to have rule of law, democracy and the respect of human rights. And this is part and parcel of Dutch foreign policy. It's been part and parcel of Dutch foreign policy for 60 years and it will still be the same in the next 60 years.